From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
We have a lovely day here in State College, just a few clouds in our area. I'm Brian Mastro from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Here's the forecast for the State College area. We currently do have a temperature coming in at 64 degrees, so a very nice day here in State College. However, the big weather story of the day that we are tracking, we are, of course, keeping a close eye on the tropics here at the Penn State Campus Weather Service, where we do have Hurricane Matthew. Currently winds at 145 miles per hour, pressure down to 949 millibars, which actually has come up a bit from this morning when it was down at 934. Made landfall in Haiti earlier today as a Category 4 hurricane, currently moving north at 10 miles per hour across the Windward Passage. Expected to make another landfall later on this evening in Cuba. And from there, we are expecting Hurricane Matthew to continue to push north and then eventually turn west a little bit as it works its way through the Bahamas, where we'll get close to the Florida coast. So the Florida coast does need to be keeping a close eye on Matthew, and then it's going to turn a little bit back to the east, and then it'll kind of parallel the coast along the southeast portion of the United States. So everywhere from Florida north needs to be keeping a close eye on Hurricane Matthew, and it is expected to continue to be a Category 4 hurricane as it moves through the Bahamas and then continue to be a major hurricane as it does get close to the United States, which does put the streak in jeopardy. The United States has not had a landfalling major hurricane since Hurricane Wilma back in October of 2005. Hurricane Matthew does have a chance of breaking that streak. And then from there, it will continue to push northeastward, could impact portions of the northeast as well. It's expected to come back out over the ocean, still potentially even being a hurricane as it does get up to the northeastern portions of the country. And it is something even here in Pennsylvania we will be keeping an eye on. Could be bringing some rain to us this weekend, where, of course, we do have our homecoming football game against Maryland on Saturday. Matthew could be bringing us some rain showers in addition to a passing cold front as well. So it is something we will be keeping a close eye on here at the Campus Weather Service. And then taking a closer look at Hurricane Matthew, we do see its satellite eye is currently about halfway between Haiti and Cuba. And we do still see hurricane warnings up for Haiti, Cuba, much of the Bahamas. And then coming back over here to the United States, we do see the southern portion of Florida is under a tropical storm watch, and then a hurricane watch extending up from there. And we are expecting that hurricane watch to be extended later on tonight and into the next few days as well, to include more of the southeastern portions of the United States as Matthew does get closer to the United States. Bring it back here to Pennsylvania, looking at our satellite, much less threatening, just some clouds across the eastern half of Pennsylvania, and then some clearer skies off into the western half of Pennsylvania. All in all, it's a pretty nice day across the Commonwealth. And as we do take a look at our temperatures here in central Pennsylvania, we do see it's mostly around the mid-60s across much of Pennsylvania. And then we do see that patch of yellow over there in southwestern Pennsylvania. That's where the sun has come out today, so they are able to enjoy those 72-degree temperatures over in Pittsburgh, 70 degrees up in Erie, and then chillier, of course, where the clouds are dominating the day today, 66 degrees in Philadelphia and Allentown. Then looking at our eye on the future for what we are expecting, we do just have a couple stray rain showers, nothing too serious, nothing really, not even really warranting getting the umbrella out. And then we do see some fog come in into the morning hours, and then they do burn off both Wednesday and into your day on Thursday as well. So your forecast for tonight, we're expecting an overnight low of around 50 degrees under mostly cloudy skies, with those winds coming from the southeast at 5 miles per hour. Then going into your day tomorrow, we are expecting a high temperature of around 66 degrees, so a little bit warmer than we had today. Once again, under some partly sunny skies. And once again, the winds from the southeast at 5 miles per hour. And then looking at your 7-day forecast, we do see it does get pretty nice for your day Thursday and Friday, with temperatures into the lower 70s with mostly sunny skies. And we are watching the chance for some rain showers on Saturday with both combination of a front coming through, and we're also keeping a close eye on Hurricane Matthew, see if that brings us any precipitation as well. So do stay tuned to the Penn State Campus Weather Service for all of the latest information on both Hurricane Matthew and the football game this weekend, as well as of course, your local weather for here in State College. That's all I have for you from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.